Today we're going to install the Command Arm 4 Plus into an RX here at a dealership. This is the whole system. Start off by snapping this guy in here. Just grab it, put it on there, hear that little click, slide it into the center, and that's started. Now we're going to take this part here and we're going to put 2 screws in there, whichever 2 you want to hold this bracket in. Now this is designed that you will run out of threads when it's tight, so you don't over tighten it onto the console. Now you must have the RPM selected here, max engine speed there. Now it's perfectly normal that it doesn't go quite to what you have it set to, so then you would just adjust it at that high idle point to get the exact RPM that you want, versus our stroke down here to what we have set here to what we're actually getting there. So setting the hydraulics on the Deere, we're gonna watch the screen and engage the hydraulics. There, they engaged, but not much flow. So then we're just gonna turn this wheel, and as we pull it back, we can get it. There we go, 100% of the flow, no flow. Now we have the new John Deere PTO switch, and let's see if we can see it here. Kick it in, PTO on, and then when you hit off, kicks it back, PTO off. We have our RPM here. Slide that tab. Once you have removed the hold down, this new system actually just swings up out of the way. And if we want, we can tighten up the wing nut here on the side there, and then that'll just sit up for us. We can control everything. Now this guy has to be installed first. And you just put it on, not that way, put it on there. It's got a little click in there, should sit in the center of the switch. And there you go. That is set.